am not convinced that I spent my money very wisely right now, but that's okay. I have bought 5 of these, and I've gotten only one new Poppet Petite out of however many I've opened. So yeah, we're fine. We got Fresca again. Fresca. Okay, and we'll show you Fresca. Now I have 2 Fresca dupes. Put that over here. Next, thank you. Next, Tasty again. Cake, pastel, that's your vibe. Finally got one that's like I don't have. I finally got Ava the avocado. Whew, I thought that this was gonna, I'm like, please let me at least get one that's not a duplicate in this pile, because man, was that kind of getting... Oh, I got Screech again. What are the odds? Screech! Got into 2 of the packs. Okay, last one. Let's see. Little Sauce Popular. Little Sauce. Can't get rid of Little Sauce tonight. Alright, so we got Little Sauce. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching these. If you like more of these, let me know in the comments. Bye!